Hi, I'm Sindu. I'm a third-year PhD student in mechanical engineering and applied mechanics here at the University of Pennsylvania. I work in Dr. Bao's lab, which is a microfluidics lab, and I work in magnetohydrodynamics, which basically deals with electrically conductive fluids and their interactions with magnetic fields to produce like actuation forces like Lorentz forces. So it's kind of the intersection of both electromagnetism and fluids. Fluids is a very fundamental topic that has a lot of physics and math in the background, and so I was really interested in working in that. Your first year is typically more class focused and everything, and then your second year to your third year, you're starting to transition from like less classes and less like other requirements and more towards working in the lab and like trying to like hone in on what your topic is going to be. So I'm in one class this semester, as well as I'm still doing my last TA requirement. So I'm TAing an undergrad course. It's the fluid mechanics course. It's typically taken by like sophomores and juniors. I actually like wanted a school that had TAing as a requirement because I wanted it to be something that I don't have to like, it won't be like a difficult thing to ask to do or something, or like something that would be taking away the time from my research because it's actually built into the program. And the rest of the time I spend mostly in the lab. I do experimental work where I deal with an electrically conductive fluid. In this case, I use liquid gallium, which it's kind of like mercury in the sense that it's liquid at room temperature, but it's not toxic. So it's actually like biosafe and stuff, so you can use it in different devices, especially healthcare devices and stuff like that. And I was working on trying to actuate that with a magnetic field and trying to be able to control the motion and analyze it in terms of like what speed I can get the gallium to run at depending on what like magnetic field I apply to it or what electric field I apply to it. I'm really interested in like kind of emphasizing the importance of cultural context when it comes to engineering, and this is both for increasing diversity, equity, inclusion within the actual like engineering field, but also looking at our impact on the world and everything like that, because we're the ones that are creating new things for society and stuff, so we have to do that within the cultural context of society.